Bien. Pan de morcilla relleno. Very easy. A morcilla is blood sausage, but through the video I'm going to call it morcilla. And what I'm doing, I'm going to prepare a sandwich. You know, kind of a bread filled with this delicious morcilla sausage. And I'm going to show you how to do it and have a nice meal. Hot water. Going to add the morcillas. Going to reduce the heat to about a couple notches above medium. And I'm going to let them go here for about 12 minutes, okay? So what I'm going to do, going to slice it. Because I'm going to saute this onion, okay? About 12 minutes later, just get them out. See, the casing is not broken. Let it dry. Let it cool down, okay? Now, they dried up a little bit. Just cut them. Nice. Now you're going to saute the onions. You can go with a little bit of oil, or you can go the unsalted butter route. I'm going to go with the unsalted butter. Why not, okay? Let's melt it first. Add the onions. And all you're going to do, you're going to saute these babies, okay? This is optional. Get some garlic sauce. You can make a garlic sauce. Optional. Get some butter, unsalted, melt it. Add several teeth of garlic, mince it. Have this a notch above medium. You don't want this burning. You can add more butter if you want more liquid. Put a little bit of dry oregano. And now you have your sauce, okay? Let's get some Puerto Rican bread. And about this one in Virginia. Pan Sobao, pan de agua. That's how we call it back in the island. Oh my goodness. I like what we call the ass, el culo. So I got my bread, some cilantro, my sauté onion, my garlic sauce, optional, and clearly I have my morcilla, a couple tomatoes, okay?